Today we're making a creamy potato bake. All 4 of the potatoes are peeled and thickly sliced. Let's add 100 ml of milk in them. Let's also add 200 ml of single cream, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of red pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt in them. Let's now mix them thoroughly. Let's transfer them to a baking tray and sort them in such a way that the top stays flat. They need to bake at 200 degrees Celsius in the oven until their top turns golden brown. After they bake, let's grate some Parmesan cheese on them. We use the local type of cheese as we love its taste, but Parmesan would also work well. The tray needs to go back in the oven and bake a bit more until the cheese melts completely. You can serve this as a side dish or as a quick meal if you're expecting impromptu guests. Hope you enjoy it!